Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have TOZO OpenReal wireless Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earphones not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not pairing or syncing with your phone or other device, if they keep disconnecting, any issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. If your earphones are irretrievably broken and you want to buy a new pair, I'll put a link in the description to a good price on a great pair of earbuds. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to delete all the pairing history and everything off of it so that you can get a fresh start like you're just setting these up new. This will do that as well. So all we need to do is we're just going to come in, and on the back of the earbud that has the touch button, we're going to press and hold that and simultaneously press the minus button or the volume down button, so it's going to look like this. We're just going to press and hold those buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds, and just keep an eye on that indicator light. So the indicator light will turn off, and then it will flash red and white when it's indicating that the reset is successful. Then you can go ahead and set these earphones up as though they were brand new coming out of the box.